Hello everyone. Today a review about the Explorer. So 6703 for the item number. So usual box and usual booklet paper inside. So this is a 91mm knife. For the thickness we have 22mm. For the weight we have 101 grams. We have 16 functions, and as usual I'll talk about the price at the end of the video. So see you in 10 seconds for the review. So we have large blade, of course, and small blades. We have bottle opener, large flathead screwdriver, wire bender. We have can opener, little flathead screwdriver. We have scissors. And we have, here we have exactly as a climber. We have one more layer on this one, which is Phillips screwdriver in line and magnifying glass. We also have tweezers, of course, toothpick, and we have the corkscrew, mini screwdriver. I bought it and added it myself. So no mini screwdriver when you buy the Explorer. You have the hole for straight pin. We have the hook and rimmer hole, keyring, of course. So which makes 16 functions. So 4 layers. So to compare, I often use the Huntsman. So it's really about the same size, same thickness. I really like the inline Phillips compared to the 90 degrees Phillips. I really don't like that. It's not, to me it's not handy. Prefer inline, and also I prefer corkscrew because you can put a mini screwdriver. You can use the corkscrew for many things, as untying a knot. So Phillips, really good. You have 2 positions also, 90 degrees. It's not very handy in this position. Better like this. What I would change is, of course, add mini screwdriver, straight pin, and I would change the back scale to have the possibility to put the pen. As an example, we have the Swiss Spirit 2020, which is an Explorer. We can call that Explorer Plus because it came with the pen, mini screwdriver, and a straight pin. So I really like this one. I think I will buy one for personal use, and I will change, of course, back scale to have the pen, and I will add, just have to buy a mini screwdriver, straight pin. It's really cheap, and I will add those two. So as usual, I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. You can comment, say what you think about it. If you have questions, of course, in the comment section too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There is my Instagram account in the description too. And so I'll see you for the next review. Thanks for watching. Take care and see you next time.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul.